Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE 8300/3H. This is the third paper in the higher tier of the new style GCSEs, and we're picking up in question 19. It says here are two function machines, A and B. Both machines have the same input. Work out the range of input values for which the output of A is less than the output of B. So let's stick some inputs in. Let's call it X. And so X goes in this machine. The first thing that happens to us is it's squared. So this becomes X squared. And then we take the X squared over to this box here, and it says add 6. So X squared plus 6. And then it goes out here, and that's the output, which of course is X squared plus 6. Okay, so for B we have the same input, so it's got to be X. So the first thing that happens is we subtract 3, so X minus 3. And then the answer is squared, so this is X minus 3 squared. So our output is X minus 3 squared. And we want to work out the range of the input values for which the output of A is less than the output of B. So we've simply got X squared plus 6 is the output of A, which is less than X minus 3 squared. And then for 4 marks, all we have to do is solve this inequality. So X squared plus 6 is less than X squared 2 times negative 3 times X is minus 6X. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. And so there we are. X squared plus 6 is less than X squared minus 6X plus 9. Gathering all the X squareds over to gathering all the X terms over to the left hand side and putting the numerical terms on the right, so we get our answers nice and positive. So we've got X squared, and then this X squared term goes over here, so it becomes negative X squared. And then this negative 6X becomes positive. That's plus 6X. And then we run out of X terms, so this is less than. And then we have a 9 here. And then we have a negative 6 because the 6 comes over here. And that simplifies. We can get rid of the 2x squared terms because they're subtracted from each other, which makes 0. So we're left with 6x is less than 9 minus 6 is 3. So x is less than 3/6, which will cancel down x less than 1/2. And that's all there is to it. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.